mill industry is at the heart of the manufacturing cycle, turning raw materials into smaller components used in our daily lives, from paper, mill, textile companies to processing companies and steel companies. In our team, we like to say that the mill industry is the industry with the most spectacular production sites. Due to globalization, resource scarcity and rising energy costs, mill companies are challenged to produce in a more effective and sustainable way. Customers are demanding more, causing a shift from traditional B2B to B2B2C, redefining how mill companies operate. Delaware supports mills end-to-end, from core ERP to applications around the ERP, and specific co-innovations created together with our customers and our technology partners. One example is DM4Mill, which is built on SAP digital manufacturing tailored to specific mill processes. On top of that, we stimulate customers to deploy new technologies like AI, real-time monitoring and Industry 4.0 to improve speed, quality and maintenance of the production environment. The mill industry today is facing numerous challenges. It's important to map these challenges and focus on quick wins which can already make a difference on the short term, but also on investments that will make a big difference on the long term. Delaware, with their end-to-end expertise, can help you co-create this roadmap facing these numerous challenges along the way. Let's get to know your company and talk about your operational goals. How customers who have faced similar challenges might inspire you.